The ABCs to happiness. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. So this video is about how you can be happy now during these hard times, during the slowdown. I mean, it's a huge change if you think about it. There's something called the emotional cycle of change, and that cycle is what we're going through right now, and it's so big, and it's difficult. I mean, it's really hard for us to just understand what's going on, but we don't. So what can we do? What can we do to be a little happier right here, right now? And one of the things we can do is to hug. One of the things we can do definitely is to hug each other. And you might be thinking, well, yeah, I do that. But I'm going to tell you a technique that I learned from Jack Canfield, the Chicken Soup for the Soul author. And Jack taught me that we should hug heart to heart. So most of us hug on the left side. If you hug on the right side, then you go heart to heart. And so when you hug heart to heart, then you're sharing your love with each other even more so. And when you hug, it's good to not only just hug and don't pat, don't rub their back or anything. Just hug heart to heart. Hold it for 20 seconds. Do that at least once a day, first thing in the morning, and maybe in the evening as well. That's what I've been doing with my family, heart to heart, right? Giving them love and attention. And because I have younger children, when I hug them, I actually say it silently or out loud in my mind. You're beautiful, you're great, you're wonderful, you're strong, you're powerful. I just send them positive vibes, positive energy. And it makes me feel happy inside, and they feel happy too. So one of the easiest ways is to just give a hug, but hold it for 20 seconds. You don't have to count, just do it. And that's one way. The other way is to think about what you're going to do when this is all over, your future. Think about that. Ask yourself, what would I rather be doing right now other than sitting at home and locked indoors? Would you like to be outside like this and listening to the birds in nature? And you can. I mean, think about it. You can come out here and you can enjoy all the natural surroundings, no limitations right now. Well, maybe, I don't know, and there's actually a rabbit hopping away over here. I don't know where you are, but maybe you do have to stay indoors, but maybe sneak out early in the morning when nobody's up, and get out, get some sunshine, some fresh air, and find a way. Or maybe somebody who has a property and you can drive over to their property and get out and get some fresh air. The thing is, you need to find a way for you to be happy right now. Whatever it is that brings you happiness, do it. But those hugs in the morning can make a huge difference for you. Just being out in nature and finding something that's going to feed your heart. Because right now, everybody's hearts are suffering. Everybody's having a challenge with this situation and not knowing what to do or what's coming. And it's day by day. So just focus on the next 24 hours and ask yourself, what can I do today that's going to bring me happiness? What will bring me joy? What can I do with others or by myself? And then focus on that and just do that for yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of your health. The airlines don't tell us to put our mask on first because they just want us to do that. It's because we need to breathe so that we can be healthy and strong and perhaps help the people around us. So anyway, find a way to be happy. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing to stay calm and happy, because I don't know everything, but I'd love to share your insights with others. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, you can go over there and check it out. At minimum, leave a comment whether you like or dislike this. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.